Well, hello everyone. It has been a while since I've posted something. The last video of 3D printed parts I had was for, I think, the JBL Cheetah, but recently I got an RC crawler and it was dead on arrival, so I had to return it. And then I was like, you know what, I'll just build one. And I can use better parts. So I have some metal wheels, and here are some parts that I've come up with so far. So we have the little hex adapter, some U-joints. They are very small. I had some other versions. These were actually kind of terrible. Lots of room for improvement on here. Tons of play. Lots of open space. And a bit large. And not that strong. They had a failure point because the layer adhesions is printed this way, so then right there it breaks, so I make the pin bigger and whatnot. But the goal of the project is to fully make a 3D printed crawler. No bearings unless they're 3D printed. Why? Because bearings cost money. I mean, so do these wheels and tires, but 3D printed wheels and tires, I mean, wheels maybe, but tires, it's been done. A cheap system that can just wear and then you replace everything, and less screws, more snapping together, like this piece slips in there like so for the adapter, and the shaft also slips into there. I went with a U-joint instead of a proper CV because I found it easier for now just to design this, and there's more parts because this is like 3 parts versus if I have this, and then a separate part for the T-bone going from here to here, like how a lot of other RC cars are set up. But then every time I want to adjust a length, I have to adjust that whole piece instead of just one of those, and so more modular, more fun. Plus these are probably going to break a lot. We'll see how it does. That's all. Goodbye, people.